All right, so here's the before. Taped off these Ultra Boosts that I got for $45. Literally just left the boost exposed here and taped off everything else. So I'm gonna do a hydro dip on just the boost, and I think I'm gonna do this print right here, which looked kind of cool. So basically that's gonna be it. You gotta put the shiny side down, and we're gonna put it in the water over here and let the hydro dip stuff do its thing. right, so here's the final results for this one. I don't really like the results, actually. I thought it would look okay together, but honestly, I should have checked it before I taped it up. And it looks okay, it's just a little bit too much red. And honestly, there's no redeeming this candy cane upper. Somebody else already said it, that I should have done a Christmas print on the midsole, and I 100% agree. Candy cane midsole would have been way better. But it is what it is. I was trying to do something else. At least it came out pretty clean, so I can't complain about that for the most part. The print came out really well. A lot of people ask about the durability of this, and it is actually really durable on this Boost midsole. For some reason, it adheres really, really well. But that is the video. Again, if you guys want to see other Hydrodip items, any other footwear type things, and other types of prints, leave a comment in the comment section. Thumbs up the comments that you guys like, and then hopefully I'll have more visibility to them, and then I can go ahead and buy some of the prints and make some of these other Hydrodip videos happen. But they're back on my channel. I'm super happy that I've been making these videos. They're super fun. It's fun to experiment on different products and different materials, so hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. But if you do, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new to my channel, notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live, and have a great rest of the day. More videos soon. Peace, guys.